Warm wishes to one and all. Myself, my name is Sai Kiran. I am Max faculty in Peramal IIT Foundation. Okay. Today's our topic is allied angles in trigonometry. Just see how also what is allied angle. The sum or difference of two angles is multiple of a 90 or 0. Then we can say that is allied. Those two angles are allied angles. For example, just here one of the 45 degrees and 135 degrees. When you take a sum or difference of these two angles, either it is a multiple of 90 or okay or 0. Okay, when you take the sum, it will become 180. 180 is multiple of 90. Then these two angles are allied angles. Okay, then what we can say, what is allied angle means sum or difference of two angles is 0 degrees over a multiple of 90 degrees. Multiple of 90 degrees. Okay, just see here one subject. Okay, by using this one, we can say sum only. Just here one subject. Okay, by using this one, we can say another topic concept. Okay, that is nothing but just here one subject. Whenever we are taking a right angle triangle, here it is right angle triangle. Okay, whenever we are taking a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at A, that means A angle is 90. Then what about B angle and C angle? That means sum of those two angles must be 90. That means B and C are allied angles. For example, one of the angle I am taking, this is some angle theta. Some angle theta. Then what about the C angle means the sum of these two must be 90 degrees means it must be 90 minus theta. It must be 90 minus theta. When you add these two, it will become 90. Okay, and one more angle here is 90. Sum of three angles is 180. We know in triangle. Okay, just here one of the. Okay, just I'll give some names here. Okay, let it be AC is X. Okay, AB is Y and BC is some R. Okay, with respect to theta angle, we can write the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, I want sin theta. What is sin theta means? Sin theta angle at here means opposite by hypotenuse, that is x by r. In the same way, cos theta. What is cos theta means? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is y by r. In the same way, tan theta. Tan theta means what you are getting? Opposite by adjacent, that is x by y. When you take the reciprocals, we can get cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta means? Reciprocal of this one, r by x. Secant theta. What is secant theta means? Reciprocal of this one, r by y. What is cot theta means? Reciprocal of this one, y by x. Whenever we are taking the angle is 90 minus theta. Whenever we are taking the angle is 90 minus theta, then the trigonometric ratios. Sin 90 minus theta. That means angle at here. Whenever angle at here, this will become opposite and this will become adjacent. This will become hypotenuse. That means sin 90 minus theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is y by r. What is y by r means? We are getting cos theta. That is nothing but cos theta. That is sin 90 minus theta means what you are getting? Cos theta. In the same way, cos 90 minus theta, what we are getting? Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 angle at here, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means x by r. What we are getting x by r means sin theta. That means sin theta. That is cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. In the same way, tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means y by x. What is y by x? Y by x means cot theta. Cot theta. That means tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Similarly, cot 90 minus theta, we are getting tan theta. Okay, secant 90 minus theta, we are getting cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant 90 minus theta, when you simplify like that only means we are getting secant theta. Then what do you observe here? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. In the same way, cos will become changes to, sin is become changes to cos, cos is become changes to sin. Okay, tan is become changes to cot, cot is become changes to tan, secant is become changes to cosecant, cosecant is become changes to secant when the angle is in 90 minus theta. In the same way, want to find sin 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta. Before going to 90 plus theta, we need to discuss about negative angle. Sin minus theta, cos minus theta, how we can get. Just here once of the angle negative. Just here once of the, whenever we are taking a quadrants, here it is first quadrant. Okay, this point is p x comma y, then this will become y and it will become x. This is angle theta. When we are going to anti-clockwise direction, we are getting positive angle. Okay, in the same way we need to take the image of the point and angle we are taking in a clockwise direction. Same angle we are taking in a clockwise direction, then it will become negative. This point become x comma minus y, then it will become minus y, this will become plus x. This is capital R, small r, and this is also smaller. Why? Because when you apply the Pythagoras theorem, we are getting hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, side square plus side square. Again we are getting the same thing. Okay, when you observe this one, sin theta is equal to sin theta, that means angle at here opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means y by r. The same way, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means x by r. Tan theta, what is tan theta means? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means y by x. In the same way, cot theta means x by y, we are getting reciprocal of this one only. In the same way, cosecant theta reciprocal of sin r by y, secant theta reciprocal of cos r by x. We want a sin minus theta. Sin minus theta. Sin minus theta means angle at here. Same, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is minus y by r. What is y by r means sin theta. Minus y by r means minus sin theta. That means what we are getting? Minus sin theta. That is sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. In the same way, cos minus theta. Cos minus theta. Cos minus theta. Cos minus theta. What is cos minus theta means? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means x by r. What is x by r means? Cos theta. That means what we are getting? Cos minus theta means cos theta whole. In the same way, similarly, tan minus theta we can do means minus tan theta. Okay, cot minus theta we can do means minus cot theta. On secant minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cosecant minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Only cos and secant. Secant minus theta is equal to secant theta. Only cos and secant are positive and the remaining will become negative. That means tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. In the same way, only cos and secant are positive, the remaining are negative. By using this one, we can say, okay, sin 90 plus theta or sin 180 plus minus theta or 180 plus theta, any angle, any aligned angles you can take. Just here one of the, I want sin 90 plus theta. Okay, clearly we know sin 90 minus theta means cos theta we know. That means what we can write? Sin, okay, here 90 plus theta can I write? 90 minus of minus theta can I write? Before already we know sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta before we learn. That means cos theta here means minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta. That means sin 90 plus theta is just we can remember this one, and before quadrants we can remember means we can say easily sin 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta or any allied angles are given means we can say easily. Just how, what is this one means? Sin n into 90 plus or minus theta. Whenever n is even multiple of 90, n means even multiple of 90 plus or minus theta. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. That means sin is sin only. Whatever it is, sin is sin only. Okay, plus theta, whatever minus theta, we are getting plus or minus. Why? Because it depends upon the quadrant. In the same way, cos even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. That means plus or minus. Why we are writing plus or minus means it depends upon the quadrant. Cos theta. In the same way, here also tan theta. Here also cot theta. Here also secant theta. Okay, here plus or minus cosecant theta. In the same way, n is odd. That means odd multiple of 90. Okay, what is odd multiple of 90? 90 minus theta. Whenever we are writing 90 minus theta, 90 can be written as 1 into 90 minus theta. That is odd multiple of 90. Sin 90 minus theta, what we are saying? Cos theta. Trigonometric function change. How it will be changed? Cos is changes to cot. That means cos theta. Okay. Why we are taking plus or minus means that depends upon the quadrant. The same way here also cos 90 n into 90. Odd multiple of 90 means it will be changed. Cos 90 minus theta, how it is changes sin. That means cos is changes to sin. Plus or minus sin theta. In the same way, tan is changes to cot. Plus or minus cot theta. In the same way, cot is changes to tan. Plus or minus tan theta. Just in the same way, secant is changes to plus or minus cosecant theta. In the same way, cosecant is changes to plus or minus secant theta. Just we can remember one thing. What is that means? N is even multiple of 90. What is even multiple of 90? For simply we can say 180 degrees, 360 degrees. Those numbers, those angles are even multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. That means sin is there means sin only. Cos is there means cos. Tan is there means tan. Cot, secant, cosecant. Whenever odd multiple of 90 it is there means trigonometric function change. How it is changes? Sin become cos become sin, tan become cot become tan, secant become cosecant become secant. Okay. Now we want to find sin 180 plus theta. Okay, what is sin 180 plus theta? Or cot 180 minus theta, 270 plus theta. Okay, whenever they are given this question, just we need to observe first it is in which quadrant. Okay, which quadrant? How we can say it? Just here answer the already we know. Okay, here it is 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Or 360. Answer the angle is in above 360 or below 90. Below 90 it is in first quadrant. Okay, angle is above 90, below 180 it is in second quadrant. Above 180, 270 below it is in third quadrant. 270 above, 360 below it is in fourth quadrant. Okay, just here answer the 180 plus. 180 plus means above 180. Above 180. 180 plus means above 180 third quadrant. 270 minus theta, that is in third quadrant. 180 minus theta or 90 plus theta, it is in second quadrant. Okay, 90 minus theta or 360 plus theta, it is in first quadrant. 360 minus theta, 270 plus theta, it is in fourth quadrant. Okay, clearly we can say 180 plus theta means third quadrant. Third quadrant sin. Okay, how we can say which one is positive, which one is negative? All silver tea cups. Okay, first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant sin and cosecant are positive and the remaining are negative. Third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. Fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, remaining are negative. Once of the 180 plus means third quadrant. Third quadrant is sin is negative. Answer we are getting negative. Okay. 180 is even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90? Even multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. That means minus sin theta. Trigonometric function doesn't change. Directly we are writing sin theta, whatever. Okay, in the same way, we want tan 270 plus theta. Okay, tan 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, what are positive? Cos and secant are positive. Tan is negative. Then answer we are getting negative. Okay, 270 is even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90? Odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90 means trigonometric function change. How it is changed? Tan is changes to cot. That means cot theta. In the same way, I want sin 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, what are positive? Cos and secant are positive. Cos and secant are positive means sin is negative. Okay. Next, 360 means even multiple of 90, odd multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. The answer we are getting sin theta. Okay. In the same way, secant 180 minus theta we want. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. Second quadrant, what are positive? Sin and cosecant are positive. Sin and cosecant are positive means secant are negative. 180 means even multiple of 90 and the trigonometric function doesn't change. The answer is secant theta. In the same way, just here once of the tan 270 minus theta. Sorry, cot 270 minus theta. We want cot 270. Cot 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is third quadrant. Third quadrant, what are positive? Tan and cot are positive. That means we are getting the answer is positive. And 270 means even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90? Odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90 means trigonometric function change. How it is changes means tan theta. Okay. Similarly, they are asking any angle, then we can simplify like this one. And we can say one more example, just here one of the, by using this one, we can find the other trigonometric values are at different angles. For example, okay, they want to find cosecant 135 degrees. So, cosecant 135 degrees. Cosecant 135 degrees can be written as cosecant 135 degrees can be written as 180 minus 45 degrees. We can write 180 minus 45 is nothing but 135. ORR we can write 90 plus 45 also. ORR we can write like this also. Cosecant 90 plus 45 degree. Just here one of the, it is treated as a cosecant 180 minus theta. It can be treated as a theta. Cosecant 180 minus theta. Cosecant 180 minus theta means it is in second quadrant. Second quadrant, what are positive? Sin and cosecant are positive. That means answer we are getting positive. We are getting positive. And it is even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90? Even multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. That means we are getting cosecant theta. Theta means 45. Theta, cosecant 45 value is, cosecant 45 value root 2. That means by using this one we are getting root 2. Once we can check with this one. Cosecant 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means again 90 plus theta is second quadrant. Second quadrant, what are positive means cosecant and sin are positive. Answer we are getting positive only. Next, 90 means even multiple or odd multiple? Odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90 means trigonometric function change. Cosecant is changes to secant. Secant theta. Theta is 45 degrees. Then we are getting, what is that means? Secant 45 value is again root 2. We are getting the same answer. In the same way, if they are given any angle, we can go with like this only. And one more example. Just here. Tan 20 into 90 minus theta. Okay. Clearly, tan 20 into 90 minus theta. Okay. Clearly, we can say it is even multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change. We are getting tan theta only. But it is positive or negative, we need to decide. How we can decide it is positive or negative means it depends upon the quadrant. Okay. We are getting tan 20 into 90 minus theta. That means even multiple of 90 minus theta. Even multiple of 90 means trigonometric function doesn't change, we are getting tan theta only. We are getting a positive or negative, that depends upon the quadrant. Okay, here it is which quadrant it will be, means whenever they are given multiple of 90, okay, that number we can divide with 4. Why we are dividing with 4? That means whenever the 490 is over, one complete rotation over. Again 490 is over, one complete rotation over. Again 490 is over, one complete rotation over. That means a multiple of 4 it is there, means then we can say that complete rotation over. Okay, whenever the remainder 1 we are getting, means complete rotation over, and 190 will be there. 190 will be there means plus, means second quadrant we need to take. Here minus is there, we can take first quadrant. Okay, for example remainder 2 we are getting. Remainder, okay, complete rotation over, 2 remainder means here it is there, minus it is there means second quadrant, plus it is there means third quadrant. In the same way remainder 3 it is there. Remainder 3 we are getting, minus is there means third quadrant, plus is there means fourth quadrant. In the same way, just here once of the 20 we can divide with 4. 20 we can divide with 4. The remainder we can get 0. Remainder we can get 0 means the complete rotation to over. Okay, here complete rotations over, and minus is there. Minus is there means fourth quadrant. Okay. Okay, if it is plus is there means first quadrant. Minus is there, then it will become fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, what are positive? Cos and secant are positive, tan is negative, we are getting minus tan theta. In the same way, just here answer the secant 2007 into 90 plus theta. Okay, 2007 into 90 plus theta. 2007 means odd multiple of 90. 2007 into 90 means odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90 means trigonometric function change. Secant it is changes to cosecant theta. Clearly we can say cosecant theta. Is it positive or negative? It depends upon the quadrant. How we can define? Okay, just here on the 2007 we can divide with 4. 2007 we can divide with 4. 2007 we can divide with 4. Remainder how much we are getting? 501 times. 501 times we can take means, okay, 2004 means 3 remainder we are getting. 3 remainder means just here once of the 501 complete rotations over, 3 remainder 190, 290, 390. 390s plus theta is there means fourth quadrant. Minus theta is there means okay, third quadrant. Here plus theta is there, that means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, what are positive? Cos and secant are positive. Secant is positive, then we are getting positive. For example, same question they are given, secant 2007 into 90 minus theta. Okay, here same remainder 3 we are getting, minus means third quadrant. Third quadrant, what are positive? Tan and cot are positive, then secant are negative. We are getting negative answer. Even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90, trigonometric function change, then it is become cosecant theta minus cosecant theta. Thank you.